Lemonade was a popular drink and it still is. I get more props and stunts than Bruce Willis.
Good morning, lovelies. Wait, my arm is hurting. Let me set up my phone. Today is another busy day. Ilka forgot to check the expiry date of her bank card. So now we have to go to Waterfront to do that. It's hectically cold. It is cold outside. Like it is. I have 2 pairs of secret socks on. It is that cold outside. And I'm not looking forward to go to Waterfront because Waterfront is at the water and the water is cold. What do we have to do today? We have to go to Waterfront, obviously. We have to do some shopping in Pick and Pay. Typo. I said I want to start journaling. I want to get a journal and some pens because school is starting on Monday. Okay, I love my school. I love school. I just don't like going to school. And, you know, Ilka's hosting her friends today, so we have to get some food for that as well. It's gonna be hectic because I've never met her I've never met her friends before, so I'm like, you know. What I was gonna say is that, you know, these vlog styles that I'm doing, I think I want to change them. Instead of like weekend vlogs, I think I want to change them to like Town Diaries or Town entries. Obviously, this is not the only content that I want to put up on this channel. Like, I want this type of videos, this type of vlog style to be separate from the other videos that I'm planning on doing for this channel. Or where I want to grow this channel to. That's one of the changes for this channel. I'm actually really excited. Why am I have to get ready? It's almost 9. We'll see each other in a jiffy, in a bit, in 1 second, whatever. 1 second to you. Okay, bye. It's cold outside. You always get more colder than me, but when I know when it's cold. Because I'm super hungry.
I am back in high school. I used to bust into the dance. Now I hit the.
I don't know if y'all can hear me right now because the audio is a bit bad. We are at McDonald's. The previous clip that I made was a bit awkward. Oh, the food is coming. The food is coming. Okay, wait, hold up.
Like a light, yeah. Pastor Dawson Selly's in the Texas and in kites, yeah. He say keep that on like I say, you know this shit is tight, yeah. It's absolute, yeah. I'm back with Boo. It's lit. La Ferrari. Jamba Juice, yeah. We back on the road, they jumping off no parachute, yeah. Shorty in the back, she say she working on the blues, yeah. Ain't by the book, yeah. This how it look, yeah. Bout to check, yeah. Just check the foots, yeah. Pass this to my daughter, I'ma show her what it took. Baby mama cover Forbes, got these other bitches shook, yeah.
Okay, so I did end up going. Wait. Okay, I did end up going to Typo, and let me tell you, once you go into Typo, you never want to come out, and that's on period. So I got these colorful pins. These are on point erasable pins. So I got in lilac, in turquoise, in pastel green, pink, and yellow. 5 for $50, and then I got this book, this one as well. 2 of them, like 2 for $150, and then I got 1 for 50 rand and the other one free. We love a free. So I said earlier that I wanted to start a journal, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. One's gonna be, 2 of them are gonna be, one is gonna be like my gratitude journal, the other one's like gonna be like another type of journal. I haven't figured it out yet. I just know I want to start a journal. And then the other is gonna be for school, obviously, because school is starting on Monday. I already have notebooks that I can take notes in when I go to school, but I felt like I wanted to get another kind that I can take notes in and go to school with, because I was like, 1 for 50 and get the other one free? Come on, man, that's a steal. Okay, so Ilke and I are back from our little waterfront place. That was awkward. Okay, Ilk and I are back from Ilk and I are back from Waterfront, and we did go end up buying some stuff for like our friends later today, and then as well just like stuff for ourselves. So I got this flaming hot Doritos because people like I've seen that people say it's like similar to like hot Cheetos. So we are gonna try this together tonight. Let me see. I'll put it up. Ilka, you have to try this.
Okay, it's spicy, but it's like a butter spice.
It's not even. You have to.
Is it like tomato? It looks tomato.
Yes. Flaming hot. It's not even flaming hot. It just has a small kick, but it's not even.
Eat more. You're gonna eat too.
What else? It's disappointing. How much did I buy this for? I think I bought this for 20 rand. Not worth the 20 rand. And then not worth it. Not worth it. I'm gonna do all my things and then I'm gonna do all Ilka's things. So eggs, obviously, because Ilka and I are baking tomorrow. Milk. I got these wine gums and jelly beans, which are actually, if I have to eat sweets, these are my go-to. These are my faves, right? And then cool drink. This Mexican chili flavored summer chips. Anything that's hot and spicy, guys, please call my name. And then sugar.
Say my name.
When no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running games, say my name. You acting kinda
Shady.
ain't calling me.
Baby.
Why the sudden change? And then Krispy Kremes. There's a Krispy Kreme station at Pick and Pay. So I was like, why not? I only eat the glazed donuts, to be honest, because I'm a plain girl. I like plain stuff. Sue me. Ilka's hole. Okay. Ilka got eggs as well. Dude, your eggs almost fell out of the marshmallows and Marie biscuits because she wanna eat some s'mores. Chocolate, a Cadbury, like more chocolate, no more chocolate. Popcorn. This is upside down. Popcorn. She got the Flanagan's Moorish Irish kettle fried chips, which is quite good. I prefer the black pepper one compared to the chorizo one, but they both equally amazing. And then her most pride and what do you call it? Pride and joy, né? Yeah, most pride and joy. What do you call it? No, her pride and joy. This is what she's been wanting for a long time. Because I have a scented candle that Zoe gifted me. You're making so much noise. I'm so sorry. I sound like a bitch. Oh my god. Sorry. I have a scented candle that Zoe gifted me on my birthday. And then she's like, I want a scented candle. So today, she got a scented candle from at home. Which is, it's not bad. It's called Joy. It smells really, really nice, to be honest. Dude. Oh, it smells so good still. I'm so sorry for taking your candle out of the thing. It's just like, dude, I'm so sorry. But yeah, she wanted a candle for so long. She finally got her candle, which I'm happy because now she doesn't have to come into my room every time she smells like, oh my god, my battery's about to die. Like I said, it doesn't need to come into my room every time she sells my candle going. I still wanted to buy room spray now that I'm talking about my room.
Yeah, and see, I told you.
Did you say?
I did say when we were at home, do you want the room spray there? Do you want that?
No, it was cheaper in Clicks. Because in Clicks it's 35 rand and in that place it was 80 something rand.
So I got the light thing, you got the room spray.
Yeah, it's okay, man. We move. I anyways want to buy incense, so it's the same thing, I think. Man, I'm devastated. Anyways, that was my little grocery haul. See you guys later. I know, that's so sad, you know. A grocery haul. I'm like a grocery haul. Like, oh, what is a grocery haul? live.
Sorry. I'm such a disaster person. Why do I keep blaming myself?
Because you should I help you?
Yeah,
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you do that. Showstopper. Tell them what do you think about my amazing. That was a mic. That was a mic. That was a fist bump. That was like. Give us a little wave. Give us a little wave.
You thought I was awkward in front of a camera.
Like eating the stuff, like the food is gonna run away.
Let them see how much I love them.
Oh my god. Yeah. The way it's hot right now, I feel like it's summer. I'm literally sweating and I only have like a t-shirt on. It's hot. This is another unprovoked grocery haul. First things first. Come on, man. Did I even go to Food Lovers if I didn't get the focaccia bread, bro? Bread. Whole wheat brown bread. Raspberries. Good for like oats and that. 3 of blueberries. 3 of them because they want special. 3 for 20 rand. 3 for 20 rand? I'm not sure. Yeah, 3 for 22 rand. Pasta, lemon juice. This person is looking at me anyways. Lemon juice. I want to drink this every morning before I eat. 3 avocados. This entire thing of nachos. An entire thing of this as a snack, you know. It was only 20 rand. Come on. You gotta take the steals, bro. Later, Ilka and I are gonna bake brownies. See you guys when we're baking. Bye. Ilka is baking us brownies. Ilka is baking us brownies. You're actually really tired, you know? I know, like I'm not feeling...
I just woke up.
We're just gonna bake this off camera because the vibes, the energies. Yesterday, really... Social media was here. Tell me we here, my guy. There's no energy for this. There's no energy to be like, hey, YouTube channel, film this, film that, get this angle, get this. There's no energy. I'll show you guys the end product though, but like everything else, sorry, my guys.